In today's video, I will show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Facebook page name. It's pretty simple and easy to do. Make sure to watch this video to the end so as not to miss any step I'll be showing in the video. But before we begin, hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Now let's get into the main tutorial. Log into your Facebook account that manages the page you want to update. Click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen, or the profile icon if it shows that on your phone. Then click here. All the pages you manage will show up here. Click on the page you want to change the name. You are now on your page. Click again on this 3 horizontal line. Scroll through and click on Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, click on Page Setup. It will bring you to this page. Now click on Name. Type in the new name you want to change. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So if you are satisfied with the name, click on Review Change. Next, enter your password here and click on Save Changes. Please, if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and do well to like and share this video.